This is David Talbot. I'm CTO of WorkMovr. I'd like to just show you what we do with multi-pig values. Okay, so here we have a good example here, and we have a lot of multi-pig values here. We can remove values here, we can remove here, and then we can add values here. We can type in, so if we type in a P, we get the personal fitness and add that, and then look at like spirituality here. And so it's real flexible. What we do here, we don't use the Caspio list data type. The reason we don't use that is because, first of all, you have to predefine in the schema the potential values. And so that means if you want to change the values, you have to change the schema, which we don't want to do. And secondly, you can't easily access that with a SQL statement. So what we do is show here is just show the picture here. So basically, we've got some JavaScript we have as a plugin here, and as we add and subtract, we save primary keys of the values. So the values are all in channel lookups, and so here, if you need to add or subtract values, you just change them in the channel lookups table, and there's an edit program for that, and so there's no problem with the schema change. And then they have unique primary keys, and as you add and subtract here, we put the unique primary keys in a text field here, and then we can easily do a SQL statement with a contains to pick up. For instance, if you needed all the people who did accounting services, you could just figure out which was the accounting services, which probably this one here, primary key, and just do a SQL statement with a contains on that primary key. So it seems to work well, and thank you very much. Bye-bye.